Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mediana Faras Isnafitri and I'm a student of Industrial Engineering in 11 Maret University. I'm going to talk about my research written with Prof. Cucu Nurosidi and Mrs. Azizah Aisyati. The title of the research is a truck allocation optimization model in open pit mining to minimize investment and transportation costs. This is the outline of my presentation. First is introduction, second is system description, then model development, method to determine route allocation, numerical example, and the last is conclusion. In mining industry, the challenge to increase productivity of mining products with minimum cost are even greater. Mining is generally divided into three: open pit mining, underground mining, and underwater mining. This research concerns with open pit mining. Open pit mining is applied to ore deposits containing metals in extraction of raw materials from the surface of the earth. Minerals that have been mined must go through various processes of separation to obtain raw materials that have a value which is known as ore. In this research, we consider open pit mining with single metal multi-products. We assume that the mining produces three products: concentrate, product sizing, and pellet. The ore will be sent to the plant which will undergo several processes to produce finished products. The materials transportation to each plant needs some equipment. In the mining process, the equipment is very important to ensure the continuity of mining production. In this research, materials that have been mined will be sent to three locations of production. First is location of sizing product production, then the final product will be sent to location of sizing product demand. Second is location of concentrate production, then the final products will be sent to location of concentrate demand. Third is location of pellet production, then the final product will be sent to location of pellet demand. From the haulage materials mining by trucks, it will become a question about how much unit of trucks are needed for each route. The number of trucks will be determined by considering investment and transportation costs. According this production flow, materials that have been mined will be processed to produce three types of products, including concentrate, sizing product, and pellet. From the mining location, the materials will be sent to two locations of production process. An amount of ore at alpha% is sent to concentrator plant, while 1 minus alpha% will be sent to sizing unit plant. In addition, the output of concentrator plants is concentrate, where beta% will be sent to pelletizing plant, while 1 minus beta% will be sent to customers to fulfill their demand. Therefore, materials that have been mined are the finished products that have gone through the production process will be transported to the respective destination according to the production flow. We can see in this notation are used for the location. There are S1, S2, S3, S4, F1, F2, and R3. And then the routes of transportation use the following notation. There are route 1, route 2, route 3, route 4, route 5, and route 6. And this is the parameters of the model. And this is 2, and this is 2. Next is decision variable of the model is it is a binary variable with the value 1 if truck G is selected to transport between K and L in time period T, and 0 as otherwise. And then the mathematical formulation, and this is the formulation. Next is the objective function of the model is to minimize the total cost consists of transportation and investment cost. The transportation cost consists of fixed costs for operators, wages, and variable costs in the form of full cost of trucks and support. Then the first constraint ensures the transportation between two locations use one type of truck for each route. Constraint 20 ensures that the total product transported by truck is less than the load capacity of the truck. Constraint 21 ensures that cycle time needed for each truck in the trip between two locations is less than the time duration in the mining activities. The math factor has been used by mining engineers for decades based on research by Morgan and Peterson and Burt and Caseta. The formula of math factor is shown by equation 22. The result of math factor are three options. There are MF less than 1, MF equal to 1, and MF more than 1. In determining the number of trucks using the formula above, we assume the number of shuffle is 1 and the value of MF is equal to 1. Equation 22 can be simplified into equation 23. The numerical example is given to show the model implementation. A course of crystal ball software is used to solve the model. Table 1 shows the model parameters in the form of specification data of each truck that is adapted from official catalog on its manufacturer type of truck. There are 20 types of different trucks with specification capacity, engine power, empty speed, and load speed. Table 2 shows the model parameters in the form of specification of shuffle that is adapted from official catalog on type of shuffle. Table 3 shows the model parameters in the form of number of materials to be transported each year that is adapted from research Sajat et al. 2017. Table 2 shows the number of trucks from calculation using math factor that we have explained earlier. Table 5 shows the result optimization run for 5000 iterations. From the table, truck 75570 is selected to transport for route 1 and route 4. Truck 75174 is selected to transport for route 2. Truck 772 is selected to transport for route 3. Truck 777F is selected to transport for route 5. And truck 7547 is selected to transport for route 6. Then the total cost resulted from the optimization is 295,783,073,068 rupiah. Then the conclusion is, in this paper, we developed an optimization model to minimize a total cost in determined truck allocation in open pit mining to minimize investment and transportation costs. The amount of transportation costs influenced by the type of trucks from each manufacturer according to the specifications. The respective number of trucks to transport mining products and finished products. The company expenses the purchasing cost of the selected truck for the mining project. Using the model, the optimal number of trucks is determined to minimize investment and transportation costs. The result of optimization showed that truck 75570 is selected to transport for route 1 and route 4. Truck 75174 is selected to transport for route 2. Truck 772 is selected to transport for route 3. Truck 777F is selected to transport for route 5. And truck 7547 is selected to transport for route 6. The total cost resulted from the optimization is 295,783,073,068 rupiah. For future research, the model can be integrated in a cut-off grade model to research a two-stage optimization model in determining the cut-off grade and transportation decisions. Another further research will be done by considering its link factor for the shuffle, truck, or both. This is the end of my presentation, and thank you for your attention.